Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. If you are not yet a subscriber, guys, please subscribe. Please like this video, because on this channel I post new videos each and every day, and I don't post just one video. I post maximum of 5 videos. Okay, so you really want to subscribe just to keep yourself updated with the latest gossip kesana. So guys, Vuyokazi, I've been checking her Instagram to see if maybe she updated us and all of that, but she didn't say anything. She didn't post anything. The only thing that she posted is a story. All right, so this is her Instagram story that she posted. She said, "To everyone who wished me a happy birthday, thank you so much. I love you all. Y'all made me feel so special. I also want to thank my fans or followers for supporting me even through these stupid rumors spread around. Even through these stupid rumors spread about me. All right. There's just certain parts of my life I'd like to keep private. I'll share when I'm ready, not now." We obviously know what she's talking about, right? She's talking about the engagement. She's talking about the famous chef in the UK. All right, sharp. So now when she says she's going to share when she is ready, guys, I really don't think there's anything else to share. Hey, I really don't think there's anything else to share. Or maybe she's going to share her side of the story of maybe the chef told her that he is single. Maybe, I really don't know. But from what we've seen, guys, we have everything that we need, even if she can come and deny the rumors, we have everything that we need. And worst part is that these pictures, the ones that she posted and the ones that were posted by Chef Xolani, are not the same pictures. Yes, it's the pictures of the same products, but they are not the same pictures, guys. I don't know how to explain this, but iy'thombe lezi azifani, iy'thombe zento A1 kodwa azifani. Besizothi mhlambe uzisethe kwi-timeline yakaVuyo waziposta kweyakhe just to claim ukuthi uVuyo owakhe, kodwa no, lezi ezipostwe uye zime ngenye indlela, ezipostwe uVuyokazi zime ngenye indlela, and I don't think someone would go to an extent of tagging you on Instagram knowing very well that you are not his. I really don't. And this guy now has made his Instagram profile to be private. I'm sure people are coming for him now. They're asking questions. Why are you doing this to our Vuyokazi? So I'm sure Miguel is going through a lot now. 1 minute you think you are finding happiness after being in that so-called Sitembu relationship, and then you go to find another scammer, a person who borrowed money to spoil you, guys. But at least they ate the cake. I don't think they're going to take back those presents. If the guy knew, man, he's in a relationship, he shouldn't have posted those pictures and shouldn't have posted Vuyokazi. So I don't know, man. Vuyokazi is still saying she wants to keep her things private, but it's no longer private now. It's no longer private. We all know. And I guess she will come with an explanation. No, this guy told me that he was single, wada. You see someone living in the UK and you think, oh, this person is moneyed. Even that trip was sponsored by the baby mama for him to go to the UK. Like, guningi, hey guningi, Hey guningi, Shem. I'm sure Deralo is laughing wherever she is. Like, yeah, kaka. Yo, guys, guningi, please subscribe to this channel.